Jacob? What?
Mommy, you're getting her guts out.
No, I'm just opening her up. Now, it's not going to smell very good. Okay?
I know, it smells yucky.
Well, sorry about that.
That was disgusting.
No.
So, Daddy. Video.
Yeah, she's... Okay. Definitely need more light. Okay, now, see her ribs, right? See them? This is the sternum. If I just do a cut right there.
Ew.
What? I'm going to cut through some of the ribs. Avoiding the liver. Jacob, you need to...
Ew.
Sorry, hon.
That's disgusting.
Well,
Ew. I do not want to see
What's
this.
the brown stuff?
yeah. It's, hang on, I'll show you. Just a second.
It's disgusting.
Yeah, we definitely need better light here.
Her heart.
Wow, she,
Is that her heart?
no, she was kind of messed up inside.
How do
Wow.
you know?
Hang on.
His mom is a doctor, so she knows.
Not an animal doctor.
Yeah, well, at this level, we're all both the same. Jacob, you kind of need to stop poking your
Okay.
head in the light. I know you want to see, but... So,
That is disgusting.
yeah, this is very, very unusual here.
Mom, Dad, look it.
No, he doesn't want to. Trust me.
We're killing Mickey.
She's already dead.
Yes.
I know.
Okay.
Where's her heart?
Hang on, honey. It's down below. It's kind of hard to see. You see this here? This...
See
I
that
really
there?
wish I had better light.
So we can each carry a
Mickey?
14 by... Oh, sorry.
Mickey was dead.
I know, honey.
Look at Mommy.
He doesn't want to, honey. It's okay. He doesn't have to. I really wish he would have let me use his light. He didn't want me to use his workbench light.
Ew.
What? Romeo,
Come
get
here,
down.
no.
Get down.
That's her heart.
Mm-hmm.
What happened? Mommy, what happened?
We found her heart.
That's not so hard to find.
Look it.
Daddy got a big, big light.
Too late now.
Daddy, look it.
Too late now.
Never too late.
Daddy, look it.
Ooh.
There's her heart.
Much better.
I know.
Mommy really knows what she's doing. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Here, Isaac, you want to come up here? You want me to hold the camera from up here? Is that to take the blood out?
It's just fluids. You know, the body's... It makes it easier to see. So, What's that shadow doing there?
Oh.
So this is lung, Isaac? I mean, they always say lung is pink, but it's, it's got blood coating on it. But you can
That's
kind of
your
see
lungs?
it's kind of spongy looking. Yeah, there's some on each side. That's one piece. Over here's some more.
Huh.
See there?
Mama used to do this in a laboratory.
This is
Isaac.
all. This is her small
what?
intestine.
That's her heart.
Oh, you took the heart out? That little thing is her heart?
Yeah. This is
Oh.
large intestine.
Where's her fat?
It's really kind of messed up inside.
Really?
Yeah, but maybe it's just because she kind of was lying decomposed. This is all
Was that
impacted here. Wow. But then again, it's maybe because she's been lying around. That's the liver.
Impacted meaning that she could have died from that, you think?
Well, I don't know. I mean, I've never... Yeah, I mean, but I saw there was, like, still plenty of poop around. But I don't know what all this is. This yellow, you can't tell, but this...
I can see the yellow.
Yeah, so I'm not so sure why that would be all bloated and distended like that.
Well, you don't have to watch, sweetie.
I don't know what the hell that is.
Can I hold it?
No.
Oh, I
No,
know.
your
it
hand's
just
in the
could
way,
be some
sweetie.
sort of soft tumor.
What's up in her head?
Hmm?
Can we see her brain?
Well, it's going to be so tiny, honey. You'd have to crack open her skull. I don't know.
Sorry. Just trying to...
You're not facing the light,
Yeah,
Jack.
this smell is pretty ripe.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's all
Ew.
green. She's been lying for a while.
Probably been a day, huh?
Yeah, or overnight or something. So, yeah, basically a day. Sorry, Mickey. But her fur was really beautiful. So I'm not so sure what happened other than she had some
Let me fall away.
digestive issues.
Alright, you want to bury her?
No!
It's getting hot.
The guts is going to be in the dirt.
No, it's okay. All right? So we can kind of...
Fold it up.
I see your pee-pee.
Girl, she doesn't have one.
Well, you saw a little something.
How do you know it's a girl?
Mommy did. That's what Mommy said.
Mom, how do you know it's a girl?
Because she doesn't have any balls, honey.
Girls don't have balls? Oh, I never knew that.
They don't
It's
have
like
testicles.
a taco wrapped up.
Yeah, girls don't
And
have balls.
The distance between her pee-pee and her anus was very short, so that's a girl.
Is it heavy?
Let's get rid of these. Let's go wash all these.